The episode starts with Ahilya explaining Gotama that Lord cannot see any of the child upset. She says we have to make people happy and wipe their tears. It's like worshipping Lord. How can we hurt someone by scratching their wounds? Lord would not be pleased with us that way. Dwarka says we cannot win over Ahilya. Do not waste time talking to her. Gotama says you have read some books and telling all this. I have much experience. I know more than you. You tell me, will you listen to me or not? The guard scolds Prakshit. Prakshit hears the taunt silently and goes. Dwarka also scolds Ahilya. Acharya and Mahants have a talk about Khanderao's decision. Dwarka says, this family has gave you a palace of a queen, but you are not thankful. You are insulting us this way. Acharya gathers the villagers. He says, we have to stop this disaster. Widow remarriage is a sin. If a husband dies, then the girl's stars are at fault. The girl is unlucky and responsible for her own fate. That's why her marriage cannot happen again. It's your work to explain this truth to everyone here. He laughs. Khanderao and Tukoji have a talk. He says, I feel like I am trapped in a big dilemma. Dharm Sabha is right. Dharm cannot be wrong. Then I think that Renu and Prakshit are not wrong. How can love be wrong? Are you thinking that I am being soft hearted towards my friend? It's nothing such. But Ahilya, she is supporting them. I know Ahilya and understand her. She never spots the wrong. Tukoji says, you really understand her well. When you were not here for many years, I have seen her in the last 7 years. I have seen her becoming so sensible after getting educated. I did not see her fighting for wrong dears. Khanderao says, but what about the society and traditions? Tukoji says, we will always have the societal pressure. But I have learned from Malhar that a king cannot bend down to this pressure. A king has to know right and wrong and then decide. Khanderao says, if Malhar was here, then what would be his decision? Tukoji says, Malhar would see the justice to be served first. Mans talks to the villagers. He says that Renu is responsible for her widowhood. It's her bad fate. There are many rules for a widow. It's to make a widow repent for her last birth sins. The villagers agree. Tukoji comes to Prakshit and says, I understand Prakshit, this will be too tough for you to tolerate this. Prakshit says, I can tolerate this, but what about Renu? She is tolerating a lot. We know the place of a woman in our society. It's my mistake to fall in love with Renu. I did not need to show her dreams of a new life. She never wished for anything. She never told anything. I told Helia that I want to marry Renu. I did not know that this storm will come. Khanderao did not assure me that the decision will be taken in our side. Tukoji says he wants to talk to both of you. Prakshit says if he follows the dharma rule and punish Renu and me, then what? I do not understand anything. You tell me. What will happen in the darbar? Whom will Khanderao support? Will he also decide it like the villagers? Mans provoke the villagers against the widows. They say a widow cannot think of a remarriage by breaking the dharms and traditions. It's a big sin. The villager says the same. Harku comes to Ahilya. She says battle is tough. You have to stay fit and fine. She pacifies Ahilya. She says, you have taken a stand for Renu. You have shown courage to challenge the society. Ahilya says, you always stand by me. I thought I have upset you also. What do you think? Can I face this challenge? Acharya says, humanity will get punished if someone does such a sin and goes against the dharma. The people worry. Harku says, I trust and your smartness. I know you will argue well in the darbar that everyone will see Renu and Parikshit with sympathy, then hatred. She asked Ahilya to stay strong. Acharya says, if you want to save yourself from the Lord's anger, then stand with us and stop this bad happening, else you all will face the worst. This will be just destruction. The people says, we are with you. Ahilya says, I am ready to take any risk, whatever the outcome be, but I am worried for Khanderao and Malwa's future. She cries. Khanderao comes and asks, why are you crying? He asks Harku to tell him, why is Ahilya crying? Harku asks them to talk. Tukoji says, the news is spreading like fire. More people will oppose us. Ahilya says, I was thinking of a way to do justice and keep the respect of Dharma also. Malwa throne should not get into any problem. Gangoba comes. Khanderao asks, what is the matter? Gangoba says, I have served this family all my life. I cannot see wrong happening with this family. Send Renu to her village as soon as possible. It's my request.